from Michigan Voices. We are one of the organizations that have put together this Reproductive Freedom for All ballot initiative. As you can see, I am a black woman. And why I'm saying that is to talk about why we have this ballot initiative today. I don't care about the other side. I care about all of you here. All right? I do. I care about every one of you here. I also have 4 daughters, ages 24, 23, 22, and 22. I have 2 grandkids as well, even though I don't look like it. Thank you very much. I try to bring joy, especially in these moments of pain that we're dealing with today. So I'm going to make this quick. The reason why we're here. We're here because we want to protect reproductive rights here in Michigan. We're here because people like me who've had an abortion in the past need access to reproductive care. I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm not ashamed to say it. I am not ashamed to say it. And that's what has to change in our lexicon. We have to normalize the conversations around reproductive rights, around abortion care, around contraceptive care as well. So that conversation starts with you. So I'm going to make it plain and make it quick. I am originally from the Bronx, New York. At one point, yes indeed, at one point, I lived with my grandmother, my mom, and we were homeless. My grandmother had passed, so we were homeless. I had to move to a shelter with my mom. At that shelter, I've been shot at. My sister was shot at. I'm a twin, so I talk about her a lot. I've seen people get killed in front of me, and I got pregnant. I was 17 years old, and I had to make that decision whether I wanted to have a child in that environment. I chose to terminate my pregnancy, and I don't regret that decision at all. So when I say normalize that conversation, this is what I'm talking about. You here are trusted messengers in your community. I need all of you to have those conversations. If you face medical racism, that's a part of reproductive justice and a part of reproductive rights. And I'm going to tell you something is, if you've been misgendered, that's a part of reproductive care and reproductive rights. If you felt like the doctors weren't listening to you or paying attention to you because of what you're going through, the pain that you have, I have lupus, some of us have PCOS, and our doctors didn't believe us, but that's okay. That's what reproductive justice is about. So my message to you today is this. Number 1, normalize the conversation around abortion access and your stories as well. Number 2, I need you to sign these petitions. I need you to sign these petitions and talk to your friends and neighbors about the importance of having in our Constitution the right to reproductive freedom. And number three, my final point is this. We need you beyond this petition signing. In November, we need volunteers. We need you to talk and have these conversations. We need you to talk to your neighbors and friends and even people who are on the fence about this, because that's what's going to happen. So I want to thank you all for being here, all for being my friend, and all for listening to me and my story. Thank you again.